After an exciting hands-on leak earlier this week, things just got even better. A new Amazon listing has surfaced, giving us our closest and clearest look yet at Samsung's sleek new foldable, the Galaxy Z Fold 7. And yes, it's just as jaw-droppingly thin as the leaks promised. This listing, uploaded by seller WSK, features screen protectors specifically designed for the Galaxy Z Fold 7. But the real highlight is a full demo video included with the product. It not only walks viewers through the installation process, but also puts the protector's durability to the test in dramatic fashion. Now, while the device in the video never powers on and the back isn't shown, the button and port placement matches all previously leaked renders perfectly. Whether it's a working unit or a high-quality dummy model, it looks incredibly polished. There's even a visible gap between the frame halves, ensuring smoother folding, and the overall profile looks nearly as thin as the Oppo Find N5, a benchmark in foldable design. The wider outer display also lends it the silhouette of a traditional smartphone, making it feel both familiar and futuristic. We couldn't embed the Amazon-hosted video, but it's available on the product listing. And yes, we've already grabbed the most exciting highlights for you. Over the past few weeks, leak after leak has slowly pulled back the curtain on the Galaxy Z Fold 7. But one thing is now certain. Samsung's upcoming foldable isn't just thinner, it's smarter and tougher too. Thanks to a recently leaked European energy label, we're getting a detailed look at the Fold 7's real-world performance. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 can deliver up to 40 hours and 28 minutes of battery life on a single charge. Even more impressively, it retains 80% battery capacity after 2,000 full charge cycles, a big leap forward for foldables. On durability, it scores an A rating for drop resistance, meaning it handles everyday falls better than many flagships. According to details shared by YTechB, Samsung is not only refining the design and displays of its foldables, but is also taking significant steps to enhance battery endurance and repairability. Starting with the Galaxy Z Flip 7, the device will reportedly pack a 4,174 mAh battery, capable of delivering up to 42 hours and 4 minutes of use on a single charge. Impressively, the battery is built for longevity, retaining 80% of its capacity even after 2,000 charge cycles, a big step forward for foldable battery life. The Galaxy Z Flip FE, expected to be a more budget-friendly alternative, will feature a 3,887 mAh battery. While slightly smaller, it still offers a respectable 37 hours of usage and maintains durability across 2,000 charge cycles, making it a solid choice for everyday users. As for the flagship Galaxy Z Fold 7, Samsung is equipping it with a 4,272 mAh battery, estimated to provide up to 40 hours and 28 minutes of usage. Like the Flip 7, it's designed to last, with high endurance over thousands of charging cycles. One of the most notable upgrades this year is the user-replaceable battery support for all three models: Flip 7, Flip FE, and Fold 7. In addition, each device comes with an IP48 rating for water and dust resistance, along with a repairability score of 2.96, C-grade sure. These leaks suggest that Samsung is placing more emphasis on battery longevity and device durability, key factors that matter to foldable users. The leak confirms 5 main case types coming directly from Samsung: a standard silicone case, a clear grip case, a clear magnet case, likely for upcoming Qi 2 wireless charging, and a brand new carbon shield case that looks sleek and stealthy. All in all, a solid lineup. But here's the twist. The S Pen case is completely missing. Yep, gone. No holster, no stylus, nothing to hint that Samsung wants the S Pen to be part of your Fold 7 experience. That's a bold move, especially after multiple generations where the S Pen was treated like a flagship feature. Even more curious is that none of these official cases offer protection for the front display. No folio-style covers, no flip case variants, nothing shielding the most vulnerable part of the phone. To many, this suggests Samsung is incredibly confident in the Fold 7's durability. Maybe they finally built a foldable that doesn't need babying. If that's true, I'm all for it. The design upgrades this year really make the Fold 6 look ancient by comparison, and you can feel that design leap just by looking at the live hands-on images that leaked alongside these cases. Personally, the Carbon Shield case looks pretty fancy. It's sleek, futuristic, and built for people who want their phone to feel modern and protected. But honestly, I'd still probably go with the basic black silicone. I know it's a little boring, but there's something clean and minimal about it. That said, I'd probably not use a case at all unless I really needed that magnet case for Qi 2 charging. I've never been a fan of hiding good design behind a bulky shell, especially when the phone has evolved this much. The Fold 7 looks like a completely different class of device compared to its predecessors. Finally sleek, elegant, and well-proportioned, with none of the ugly camera housing that people hated on the Galaxy S25 Ultra. And that brings up a bigger point. Is Samsung trying to quietly kill off the S Pen? Maybe not instantly, but it seems like they're slowly letting it fade out. No case support, no stylus mention, nothing. Could be that it just didn't catch on with most users. Or maybe Samsung's saving it for an Ultra Fold in the future. Either way, the message this year is clear. Samsung wants you to feel the leap in design and hardware. No gimmicks, no crutches. Just a sleek foldable that's finally grown into its own skin. So now the question is, would you use the Fold 7 without a case? Or would you stick with the protection just in case things get slippery? One thing's for sure, Samsung is betting big on this phone, and if these leaks are right, they might have just nailed it. Tipster Jukanlas Reeve shared hands-on photos of the device, showcasing a much cleaner rear camera layout that ditches the bulky camera rings seen on the Fold 6. Instead, Samsung has gone back to the sleeker camera design from the Fold 5 and Galaxy S24 Ultra, which gives the Fold 7 a more premium and polished feel. The phone shown in the leak is in the new blue signature colorway, and it looks stunning. The matte film over the screen hides the crease well, and the device looks even more refined from both the front and back. Alongside these hands-on leaks, Samsung itself has been building excitement with a colorful teaser on X offering glimpses of the Fold 7, Flip 7, and a brand new trifold phone. The teaser uses vibrant, energetic visuals including the words run, a skateboard riding Z, and symbols like a shoe and a camera, hints that point to improved performance, durability, and enhanced camera features. Interestingly, the teaser suggests that blue will be the signature color of the Galaxy Z Fold 7, while coral red may represent the Galaxy Z Flip 7. It also introduces something called Selfie Studio, which could either be a new One UI 8.0 feature or a creative setup at Samsung's Galaxy Experience spaces. The teaser ends with a bold "Coming soon July 9th, 2025, confirming that Samsung will unveil not just the Fold 7 and Flip 7, but also a budget Flip FE, the Galaxy Watch 8 series, and the 2025 Watch Ultra. Pre-reservations are already live in key markets like the US, where customers can claim a $50 Samsung credit and enter a sweepstakes to win $5,000. With the Fold 7's hardware now almost fully revealed and Samsung's own teaser adding more fuel to the hype, the upcoming Unpacked event is shaping up to be one of Samsung's most exciting launches yet. And now a new leak says the Galaxy Z Fold 7 will carry the same IP48 rating. Let that sink in. Even after all the anticipation, even with competition heating up, Samsung is reportedly not upgrading the foldable's resistance to water and dust this year. Let's quickly break down what that means. IP48 is limited protection. The 4 means the device is somewhat resistant to dust, but not fully dust-tight. The 8 means it can handle immersion in water beyond 1 meter, but not necessarily for long durations or in tough conditions. Compare that to IP68, which offers complete dust protection and strong water resistance, typically up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes. That's the standard for most flagship slab phones. It's also what fans have been asking for in a premium foldable that costs over $1,800. With foldables becoming more mainstream, expectations are rising. People don't want compromises anymore, not at these price points. Thanks to newly leaked renders that show off just how impressively slim these next-gen foldables are. The latest leaks come from renowned tipster Evan Blass, who previously revealed several images of both devices last week. Among the two, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 seems to boast the most dramatic design evolution. It's reportedly just 4.5 millimeters thick when unfolded, a significant reduction from the Fold 6's 5 millimeters. When folded, the thickness drops to just under 9 millimeters, making it feel much sleeker in hand. A recent hands-on video comparing a Fold 7 dummy unit to the current Fold 6, measuring 12.1 millimeter folded, shows just how far Samsung has come. Leak after leak has spilled the details. Same 256 gigabytes and 512 gigabyte storage tiers, but the colorways? fresh. Flip 7 is coming in black, blue, and a bold coral red. Fold 7, black, silver, and a cool blue shadow finish that just sounds premium. And the rumored Flip Fan edition, clean black and white with more affordable storage tiers at 128 and 256 gigs. Samsung might even bring back bespoke customization and online-only exclusive colors, but that's still under wraps. Either way, personal style is about to meet powerful tech. Now let's talk about that Fold 7 teaser. Samsung officially released. It says a lot without saying much. A shiny new frame, possibly titanium. Taller design, thinner corners, glossier finish, and a new silhouette that clearly separates it from last year's Fold 6. This one doesn't just fold, it stands out. They even called it an ultra experience, and that's no small choice of words. That branding has always been reserved for the best of the best. Leaks confirm Samsung's packing the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 Elite chip. Yep, the top-tier SM8750, turning the Fold 7 into a pocket powerhouse ready for next-gen AI, console-grade gaming, and multitasking so smooth you might just forget what lag feels like. It's been certified. It's official. The Fold 7 isn't just fast, it's ferocious. But it doesn't stop there. A brand new AI-driven multi-mobile search is built into the camera app. This isn't just taking pictures. This is your foldable understanding your world, reacting to it. Point it at something, and it knows. It gets it. It responds. Like the phone has instincts. Think about that.